Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to create your brand on edis.io in order for you to publish ads on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Click Brands in the left sidebar. Now click the Create Brand button. Input a name for your brand in order for you to easily identify later. Input the URL for your brand. From the dropdown for Facebook ad account, choose the ad account specific to your brand. Now do the same for the page, your pixel, if you have any, Instagram, your LinkedIn ad account, your LinkedIn organization, your TikTok user, TikTok identity, your TikTok ad account, or your TikTok pixel if you have one. Then click OK in the bottom right. That's it. You've created a brand with edis.io. Thank you.